Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode in the Day of Dean. Now, I got something I've been dreading to do for a long time, and that's putting brake shoes on this flipping Prius. Okay, it's got to be done because the grinding noise is starting to get bother me. So, let's get started. There will be probably some bad language, but hey, y'all can handle it. All right, I want to get started. That rock again, stop it. Well, not good at all. Yeah, it's not. I'm gonna go check that compressor. I'm trying to buy a new one. Safety check. All right, we're good. That was not me. Oh, if I can get up that hill. Damn. Of course not. Ain't no fun, can't work for. What I'm doing now, I'm putting in these two bolts right here. I can start right. And these little holes here, but this gonna screw this in, it's gonna force that hub free. Only if I get them started. You gotta take them out a little at a time, both sides, till they come out even. There it goes. Now it should come off easy. Hit pop. That means it's broke free from the brake pad shoes. I should go like that. Just about there. It's about to come off. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. This will be the part. Now here comes the fun part. Okay. Now we got to take all this assembly off, which is always fun. So you might say you might hear some straining, farting, and crying and cussing. It's gonna happen. Just be ready for it. Oh, that's too easy. Let's put it back on and do it again. Way too damn easy. I do not like it. Bring down low. Should be one down here somewhere. There he is. We'll wait on him. Now here's the one that's gonna be. It's gonna piss me off. I'm not find my. There you go. There you are. Right here, we got a couple of little pieces here that are. Oh, they're assholes. But anyway, we gotta get them off. Yep, buddy. You just said it done. Ah. This will hold the shoes in the general spot. And I hate them. Come on, buddy. Can't, bottom one line, can't see out of here. Oh, that's a little bit better. Up too far. Oh, yeah, come on. All right, that should come out. Hung up. Oh, there it goes. Right, hit to the chest. Okay. All right. I'll show you these components right here. We call that a nail. Excuse me. You got the spring, retainer clip. Very important. If you lose this, we are dead in the water. So we're going to put that in the box. I'm going to do the other side the same way. Oh, come on, buddy. Don't be like that. Can we all just get along? I want to look directly at it. I don't need no eye shot. Okay, I'll turn now, daggone it. I'm about to have me one hell of a fit. Yeah, that should be it. Oh, Lord help me. Like I said, I'm no big fan of this stuff. No, sir. Not really hard. It's more aggravating than anything. You got to have a bunch of itty bitty hands to get in here. All right, let's finish disassembling this thing. Watch how it comes off. See how it comes off there? That's the way I want to put it back. Exactly the way I want to put it back. Long end here on the adjuster goes that way. There we go. I'm going to get just on the other side. And I don't remember how that goes that way, but we figure it out when we get to it. We got a little spring right here. We got to take care of that. We do not want to lose that spring. We're getting the safeties on. All right, now we got to take disassemble all that. But first, we get our new brakes. What the hell I done with them? Okay, here we go. On there, that's your bottom. Tell by the way it looks right there. That's the one we're working on now. I know that because of that pin right there. We have to transfer all this to this. Okay, if you're looking at that, get everything in the right angle, just like that. I'll pull the spring off. Yeah, fire. Oh! That's all. Shit like that. We got this right here is your auto brake adjuster. Get it out of here, and that's what would be a punk. Alright. That's the auto adjuster. You go down that slot like so. And like this. Boom. Alright, now we put wherever the heck I lay that spring at. There it is. Alright, we'll pick that up. Goes that little slot right there, and it goes down here to this one big old hole. There. Now, there that is. She go on this side here because that's where my adjuster was at. This is your brake adjuster right here. It's got the spring hung on it right now. That is your brake adjuster. So what I want to do is I'm going to roll that in pretty close. That way, hopefully I don't have to adjust the brakes and get done with it. So right in there. That goes in there like so. Like the fatty here goes on the inside like that. Now here comes the fun part. This is flipping lovely. We gotta take this out. This is the emergency brake cable. Lever and all that good stuff. Now I gotta find the right tool. Lordy, lordy. This one. Go like that. Yeah. Oh yeah. These are always fun to get loose because they're a pain in the ass actually, but I mean it's severe pain. Okay, yeah. Them are bad. That's metal right there. That's not any pad. There's no pad left on that one. It's all that's metal, and they got a little bit of pad here on the end. Their head's ready. Well, got a fine screwdriver, a small screwdriver that I had a while ago. Alright. Maybe my cameraman will pause this for a second. Alright, here we can get this flipping clip off. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what. Whoever the engineer of these damn things, only had the hell beat out of them. Alright, now that goes off like that. Now I gotta find the other new brake shoe. Yeah, if I can find him. There he is. Let's see. Like that. And I forgot what hole went in this. I think one in the top one here. That top one here. You go up like that. Now I got a new one. These clips. I need a whole one. There he is. Alright. Just a new clip we're gonna put in it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm really having to look at this myself. Yes, possibly. It's yes. And around like that, and what we'll do, we're going to have to bend this end where it can't slide out. And if I can find a bending apparatus, try to do it like this where y'all can see it, but all that's gonna jump off. Guarantee it. Oh, God. Yeah, that bent it all right. Oh. Get it in there. Alright, that asshole ain't going nowhere. Alright, now we're going to start putting this back together now. I must remember how this crap goes. Adjuster. End of the adjuster. Okay, big end went inside. Small ended. Alright, we want so. There. That's in there. That one's in there. And of course, we got it hung up to this other one. That's nice. Let's see. So, it don't look right to me at all. Because I had it in there wrong, obviously. No, I don't. That's right. Okay. Time for the box bit. The little thing back. What's going on with this? Let's see. I might well be try to put the keepers on it to hold it in place. Go under here like that. And alright. I'm going to put the nail back in it and see what we keep that in there spot. Clean that up a little bit. That's the sandpaper here. Oh, goody goody. Lost my sandpaper. Ain't that nice? Go get some more. There's no use making it any harder on you than you have to. It's going to be hard enough as it is. Okay. Bring the cap. They're good. Yeah. You know what better than another one did. And they'll go in from the back side. So you come out one of these holes here. I'm trying to filter. I can't see it. Get all our stuff ready that we need. Yeah. Oh, let this shit fit again. Can't see it. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, I know you're teasing me. Knew it. No, that ain't, let's take it back off. That's too damn easy. That is not going to be a hell no. I got the right slot. I can't tell if that's getting the right slot or not. Let's see. That's what you get for getting old. You can't see your ass in the hole in the ground. All right, yeah, we're good. We're good. That thing, we're golden. Now, time to fight the other side. Like so, and it come up some. Come on, get up there. A little bit higher than that. There you go. That's what I want to be. All right, enough for time for this one here. That's the same way. Now, we may go ahead and put the nail on this one here. I'm not really sure if I need to do that or not right now. So this needs to turn around. So no, this got to turn around. Okay. Lengthwise. No, we're gonna try to get that spring up there. I think that's what we need to do. Oh, God. This one is fun, fun, fun. Oh, almost. course, it's come undone. That's great. Oh, sugar pile. Just blew the whole daggone cap out of there. Ah, there we go. Oh, get back in there. Hope I don't leak. Good. Oh. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, Lord, Lord. Well, guess what? We're going to go ahead and put the nail in it. We don't want that to happen again. See if I can. Let's see what there is it there. Half got to go. Pause the video, if you don't mind. Alright, I would like now, hopefully, just this little spring here and get it on, and we'll be able to put the hub back on it and put the wheel on it. So, here we go. I gotta get down here. Pray that we don't lose it. So, what do we? I'll do like that. Bonsai. Alright. Now you see, now make sure you do this. If you're stupid enough to do it like me, make sure you run that adjuster down so it will close the shoes up where you can get your hub back on it. Because you got new pads, they're nice and thick. So keep that in mind. But if you're smart, you let the mechanic handle this crap. Oh, that's not right. Awfully tight. Awfully tight. See what we got going on here, guys. Bullshit hammer, that was a little hammer. There. No thinking something that's not. Well, that guns down some. They got an adjustment hole right here. You take this little plug out in the back of the brake there. There we go. That. There you go. And maybe before you go with it, that's all. Get a big boy here. Yeah. I need to go the other way for that one. Yeah. That's make it kind of a little easier. Oh yeah. Let's see what happens now. Oh, right. See that? That's what you want. Now you want it's been real free, but you want a little bit of drag on it. All right, that tire's ready to go on there, guys. This truck is almost DU flipping in, all capital damn letters. Now I tell you, I ain't worried about that plug. That plug can just go to hell with the rest of it. Oh, what you need? Watch them flipping these. Good Lord help me. I always found it a lot easier to start the bottom lug nut first, so you can do this, and everything stays lined up. Well, I'm happy and a pig and poop right now. Finally got these jokes. I've been dreading this for a long while. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Back in business. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Watch out, everybody. Come down. Alright, guys. That's the end of this video. Thank God. Thank y'all for coming and watching me. Appreciate it. Hit like, share, subscribe, all that mess, and leave a comment if you got anything to comment about. But most importantly, I want to thank my cameraman for helping me out today. Well, camera lady, say. And I want to thank all y'all out there for watching me. And I love you all. Hope y'all have a great and wonderful weekend and week. And remember, be really good to yourself and be good to others. Adios.